Hello everyone. Today we are going to find or locate the points of local maxima, minima or saddle points for this function f(x, y) is equal to y is equal to sin x. The function is defined for all x and y. Okay. So domain is complete xy plane and so there are no boundary points here. So we must find out the critical points, that means the points in the interior of the domain at which the local maxima, minima or saddle points may occur. Okay, so for that we have to calculate the uh, partial derivatives. Okay, first order. So f derivative with respect to x, that will be y cosine of x, and the partial derivative of function with respect to y, which is sine of x. And then critical points will be the points where fx and fy are simultaneously 0. Okay, so if we simultaneously put them equal to 0 and solve for x and y, then we will get the points which we will call the critical points. Okay, so uh, that means for critical points of this function, we have to put fx0 together with f of y0, and that means y cos of x equals to 0 and also sine of x is equal to 0. Now the second equation immediately tells us that uh, x will be equal to n pi with n being integer, and when x is n pi, so this function is non-zero, so y must be 0. Okay, so critical points are uh, x comma y points, which are here n pi comma 0. Okay, and n is integer. Okay, now we have to find out whether we have local maxima at these points or minima or saddle points. Okay, so for that we can use the second derivative. Okay, so calculating the uh, function second derivative with respect to x. So differentiate this one more time with x. Okay, we have minus y of sin x. Calculate the function second derivative with y. So differentiate this with y, so that's 0, and calculate the fxy. Okay, second derivative with x and y. So let's say differentiate this with y. Okay, so that's cosine of x, and then we have to calculate is uh, this function f of x second derivative multiplied with second derivative with y minus the mixed derivative squared, and this we have to calculate at the critical value. Okay, and this we have to calculate at n pi comma 0 point. So first calculate this product. Okay, so that's this product, which is 0 minus fxy squared, so that's square of uh, cos of x. Okay, at point n pi 0. Okay, so that means minus of cos of n pi squared, and sorry, and we know that cos of n pi value is minus 1 raised to power n, and so it's squared, so clearly it is equal to minus 1. Okay, which is a negative number. Okay, and if this quantity is negative at a point, that means that the concavity is not same in all direction. In some direction the function is concave up, in some other direction it is concave down at the given point, which is n pi 0. Okay, so that means these points, okay, are saddle points of the function. Okay, so the points n pi comma 0 are saddle points. Okay. Yeah. So that's our result for today. Okay, good day.